Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Apple ID without password, without computer in 2022. Firstly, open the settings app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset, tap on erase all content and settings. Now click on continue. You can see appears on screen time passcode. Enter screen time passcode. You can see skip backup, tap on erase iPhone. So now you will see password, go back, open the settings app again, tap on Apple ID. You can see appears on screen Apple ID not showing sign out option. So guys, how to sign out from iPhone without password? Firstly, go back, open the screen time app, turn off screen time, turn off without password, go back, open the settings again. So tap on this, you can see sign out. Sign out is available. Simply turn off screen time passcode sign out and turn off sign out. You can see, are you sure? It may take some minutes to remove your iCloud data from iPhone. So you can see this is removing iCloud data from iPhone, iPad or iPod. So wait 30 to 40 seconds to removing Apple ID from iPhone. So you can see Apple ID removed from my phone without password or without computer. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.